Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about tibial nerve and common peroneal nerve. Both the nerves are the branches of sciatic nerve. So this is the sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve divides into two branches, common fibular nerve, also called as common peroneal nerve, and tibial nerve. Tibial nerve, it is the largest terminal branch of sciatic nerve, whereas common peroneal nerve is the smallest terminal branch. Course of tibial nerve. In this picture, this pink color highlighted region is popliteal fossa. For popliteal fossa, there are four angles: superior angle, inferior angle, lateral angle, and medial angle. This is the tibial nerve. This tibial nerve extends from the superior angle of the popliteal fossa. This is the popliteal fossa. This is the popliteal vein and this is the popliteal artery, which combinedly called as popliteal vessels, and this is the tibial nerve. We can clearly see that the tibial nerve crosses the popliteal arteries. It crosses in the manner this tibial nerve crosses the popliteal arteries from lateral side to the medial side. Branches of tibial nerve. This tibial nerve has 3 articular branches, 1 cutaneous branch and 8 muscular branch. The 3 articular branches are superior medial genicular nerve, middle genicular nerve and inferior medial genicular nerve. From the name articular branch, we can clearly understand that it is going to supply joint structure. The term genicular also means the same. This is the tibial nerve. The 3 articular branches are superior medial genicular nerve, middle genicular nerve and inferior medial genicular nerve. Tibial nerve lies in the medial side of the body. Thus, the nerves arising from the tibial nerves are also lies in the same side. Out of 3 articular branches, one is rising from the middle, thus named as middle genicular nerve, and out of these two, one is on the top and another one is below that. Thus, it is named as superior medial genicular nerve and inferior medial genicular nerve. Both the nerves lies on the medial side, thus named as medial. One is above, which is named as superior, and one is below, which is named as inferior. All these 3 articular branches supplies the knee joint. Next one is cutaneous branch. The term cutaneous means skin. The nerve which supplies the skin is called cutaneous nerves. From the tibial nerve, only one cutaneous branch is arising, which is called sural nerve. This is the sural nerve arising from the tibial nerve. Next, we are going to see muscular branches. The tibial nerve supplies 8 muscles. They are gastrocnemius, soleus, popliteus, plantaris, tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum longus and flexor hallucis longus. This is the tibial nerve. The 8 muscles which is supplied by the tibial nerve are lateral gastrocnemius, medial gastrocnemius, plantaris, popliteus, soleus, tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum longus and flexor hallucis longus. Next, we are going to see about common peroneal nerve. This is the smallest terminal branch of sciatic nerve. This is the common peroneal nerve. This common peroneal nerve extends from the superior angle of the popliteal fossa till the lateral angle of the popliteal fossa. The nerve leaves the popliteal fossa at the lateral angle by wrapping the neck of the fibula and enters the anterior aspect of the body. Branches of common peroneal nerve. Common peroneal nerve have 3 articular branch, 2 cutaneous branch and 1 muscular branch. The 2 cutaneous branches are lateral cutaneous nerve and sural communicating nerve. This is the common peroneal nerve. This is the lateral cutaneous nerve arising from the common peroneal nerve, and this is the sural nerve which arises from the common peroneal nerve. This sural communicating nerve from the common peroneal nerve joins the sural nerve from the tibial nerve. Articular branches of common peroneal nerve, they are superior lateral genicular nerve, inferior lateral genicular nerve and recurrent nerve. This is the common peroneal nerve. This is the superior lateral genicular nerve. This is the inferior lateral genicular nerve. Both these nerves are only visible in this aspect. This is the common peroneal nerve. Here it winds the neck of the fibula and entering the anterior aspect of the leg. Here this common peroneal nerve gives rise to the recurrent genicular branch. This is the recurrent genicular branch from the common peroneal nerve. Here this nerve also divides into 2 parts. They are deep peroneal nerve and superficial peroneal nerve. Muscular branches from common peroneal nerve. Usually common peroneal nerve don't have any muscular branches, but in some occasional cases there may be a branch for short head of biceps. That's all for tibial and common peroneal nerve. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.